Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, the boy Sanus coming in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another
Inside,
Brand new
inside,
banger.
inside.
Why you do it, John Croft?
But as usual guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, because it really help out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching, right into it. Alright peeps, the noise we are hearing at the background and rain about to come, so me I really try beat the rain. And sorry about the rain, me can't do nothing about the rain. I've had a God rain here. We can fix this camera good. I've had a God rain. But anyway, me there I try beat the rain, so me forget only this content, so make we get right tonight here. The first one, ready or no?
Guys, I come home, I buy one bucket of chicken, and I am at home enjoying my meal with my kids. Now, this is where I reach in the chicken, 2 pieces of chicken left in the bucket, and I have a piece of chicken in my plate. A good thing saying I'm a baby, me give the chicken to eat. A good thing that she get this a piece of chicken to eat. Look at this. Look at this guys. I may just bite this a piece of chicken here. Normally, see there? This a piece of chicken here. I may just bite this a piece of chicken here. Look at this. A worm this, you know? Oh! This a worm. This a part of chicken here. Would I normally if you cut off a feces, this are the full feces, this are the other part of chicken here. Anybody who raise chicken know the part of chicken here. Anybody who raise chicken know this part of chicken here. The feces, this are one little bag with feces in it. And see there, a worm. Worm in this part here. You can't imagine, see worm there. See worm there guys. See the worm here so, and the worm this. And when you come in here so,
Bitch, what?
see a next little piece of worm here so again. See it there? See the worm there? Can you imagine if my baby did bite this? She wouldn't know how I want. So she did not eat her chicken. Because she didn't know what I want. So she did not eat and I go on with herself. Jesus have mercy, Father God. See there guys, see the worm there? What on them?
Why you do it, John Croft?
See there? See the worm there? I worm that.
Oh!
I don't know them black worm here. Jamaica people know them look black worm here. But fall up. See worm there? And see the piece of something over here now. People are raised chicken know say I don't look at the piece of part this where the feces supposed to be. And see there's so much of chicken we eat already. And this a part of me just bite. And they come out here so. Suppose say Alex did buy this. And I so we reach that chicken. I'm going back down to KFC. Jesus have mercy. I hope when we go down there, they have something good to explain and tell me. Because I have to reach that chicken. And I'm going back down to KFC right now. And I will tell you guys the outcome of it.
Why you do it, John Croft?
Hell no. To the no.
My friend, yo, that rough. You know, see, say, pardon my language, I shit back that panny fowl, you know. A piece I shit back that, you know. But worm in, you know. Allegedly, me I say it come, no, nobody sue me. Allegedly. As you can see, popular restaurant, me not call my name. When you see it for yourself, me just react to it. Allegedly, the woman bite the chicken. She share between her family and her baby. And she bite it. And she find worm in a part of the chicken. And she say, anybody know, both all know, say, the shit bag part that pretty much where the feces in a chicken. Now I mean the shit bag and all them things. That's crazy. Yo, them fast food restaurant here and have to be careful, you know. Our next fast food one up America recently too. Here things are going and the man they need to be careful too, and the man them will serve the chicken. Make sure they clean up the chicken good. before when give the people them. That's dangerous, yo. She can't sue, you know. Yeah, look. Yo, suppose I the America this happen. What's who? The restaurant here wanna get. Right, next video now, peeps.
Good morning, world. I'm Teejay and I'm here to give you guys some motivational speech, okay? Hey boy, some man on bumbo boy and girl need to go look walk, you know. And I get up every day for a man bum buckle at name a chat man, you know, and no want nothing in a life, you know. Hear me I tell you now, some man on girl on a shape like a blood class St. Lucia economy. Hey, some man on boy and a girl alone and you do a bigger you made too, you know. Can I get up every day a brag and boast and toast and host and all of this bum buckler thing and where will we go when Corona done? I wanna not own no bed, pussy. I wanna not take care of no mother and no picnic. Hey boy, and don't get me grieving now, go look walk, you know. And come off of people blood clot name as morning light, you know. When you go on the roadside, gonna sit down and drink beer and blood clot smoke weed, you know. Go find something there here.
You know, me call her one day, get her encouragement. And to be honest, enough good point he make a while ago still. Me nah tell no lie. Apart from the bad with them, a whole heap of real point he make a while ago. He make some serious talk a while ago. Enough people not gonna agree, but a fact still. You know what I mean? Man make some serious facts still. You know what I mean? But in the comment down below and let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. What Teejay does say.
Hey, fuck. I shouldn't say that. Attention, all Walmart shoppers, associates, and managers. My name is Shauna from Cap 2, and I just want to come on here and say Henry is a racist, stinky prick. Giovanna is racist. Elias is a prick of a manager. This company fires black associates for no reason. This company treats their employees like shit, especially Cap 2, and Jimmy from Sporting Goods, Joseph the cashier, Larry from Garden Center. You are all perverts. And I hope you don't talk to your daughters the way you talk to me. Shout out to Ariel, fucking love you for getting me this job a year ago when I needed it most. The managers, this company, this position, that big lazy bitch Chris Price. I quit. I'm out.
Oh, bumbo.
John, yo, I'm not telling a lie still. When you see that? When you see that? My friend, the road turn river. The road turn river. I St. Thomas that, you know? Yo, 2020 is a year. We're not telling a lie where it's the testing of our faith, you know. John.
Yup. There goes my girl. Cheating on me.
Oh! Why you do it, John Croft?
I got it all on film. She cheating. It's over. That shit over. That shit done. That shit done.
Them gal ya wicked, them wicked, them wicked. Them gal ya wicked, them wicked, them wicked.
My name is Giovanni Lindsay. I am 14 years old.
I attended the Portland Town High School primary. In the future, I will like to become a stripper.
A batty man right there say you bow up, brother, you're stain. Yeah man, you're not good again, brother. Real batty man fit you, you. But cool blood clot you too. You know easy.
Move from there! I want to come on. All him might think I don't help me do it. The man fool of fuck. I sell for my door. Come man, I sell for my door. You're too damn fool, man.
Alright peeps, I hope you enjoy them little short video there. Never have enough content, but I try to get as much as possible what people send to me. We're safe. I get a lot of content, guys, from people sometimes and things, but some of them I can't post up, to be honest, because I know say YouTube I go definitely flag it. Some of them well sensitive, but let me know what you think about the popular restaurant and the woman find the worm in a chicken. We're not supposed to depend on the chicken, or we are part of the shit bag area. And let me know what your thoughts about Teejay ghetto encouragement, you know what I mean? Yeah, definitely. Let me know about the youth we catch the woman a cheat, and Walmart lady we quit the job on them thing that she go full out still, me not. She go hard still, you know? Sorry, I have to rush up that one a little bit, peeps, as you can hear. Rain and drizzle, I know it both for the tear down the place. But I know only per video, but I keep the pot bubbling and thing. And respect for everybody who rock with me. Yeah, follow me on my Instagram so I can make you know where me I go for my next show. Where I come up. This week was Friday. Yeah. And you can forward, meet me there in the vlog, if anything, if none of my peeps them in that area there. But a Sentan where I go. You know what I mean? Me go in a club. Sentan, but we dep on way. On my Instagram, I just make you know exactly where I go. Boom bang bang, if you can pass through. And I love the energy there. And that is not good. But in the meantime, peeps, as me tell you now, stay safe. Stay sanitized and go and pray, because right now we really need it for 2020. I'm just ask everybody to just pray, for just ask God for intervene a little bit. You know what I mean? So just go and journey with your boy and big up on yourself. Ah shoo! Nothing can stop us, cause God am a rock. Whoop!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could do slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil, cause it real and you're not miss a maker. Big up the